To design redundancy for an ExpressRoute deployment, there are two main approaches you can consider. First one is using ExpressRoute with a site-to-site VPN connection. And second one is creating a zone redundant virtual network gateway in Azure availability zones. Let's discuss ExpressRoute with a site-to-site VPN connection first. ExpressRoute with a site-to-site VPN connection approach enables you to configure both an ExpressRoute connection and a site-to-site VPN. With these coexisting connections, you have multiple options for high availability and redundancy. You can set up the site-to-site VPN as a backup for your ExpressRoute connection. If ExpressRoute goes down, your VPN can take over as a secure failover path. You can use the site-to-site VPN to connect to other locations that may not be linked via ExpressRoute. When you work with such type of setup, there are few important network limitations for coexistence that you must know, such as only a route-based VPN gateway can work in this setup. You must keep the Azure VPN gateway ASN set to 65515. This is essential for BGP routing to work properly with both ExpressRoute and the VPN. The gateway subnet must be /27 or larger to avoid configuration errors. These coexistence setups won't work if you are using an IPv6 dual stack configuration on ExpressRoute. Using Azure availability zones, you can enhance the resilience of your VPN and ExpressRoute gateways by deploying them in physically and logically separate zones. This approach adds robustness and reduces the impact of zone level outages. There are two types of gateways available for availability zones. They are zone redundant gateways and zonal gateways. Zone redundant gateways automatically distribute gateway instances across different availability zones within a region and offer redundancy and resiliency. Zonal gateways, all instances are confined to a single specified zone, which can be beneficial if you need precise control over the deployment zone. Zone redundant and zonal gateways are available in specific SKU types and ends with AZ. You should understand the public IP requirements when you work with such setup though. You should use standard SKU for public IP addresses if zone redundancy is needed. If no zone is specified, VPN gateways will deploy instances in 2 out of the 3 zones, while ExpressRoute gateways can distribute instances across all 3 zones. Specifying a specific zone for the standard public IP will deploy all gateway instances in that zone. If a basic SKU is used for the public IP, the gateway is regional and lacks zone redundancy. These two pronged redundancy strategy, combining VPN as a backup with zone redundant gateways, creates a resilient setup for reliable, continuous connectivity to Azure.